At the time, we're here at 220 Brooks Drive. We're here in a left slope property. We came across this damaged shingle here. Tools I brought with me today for this repair is my new shingle, roof hatchet, my snake tool, and my new nails. We're going to start off by breaking the seal. And when touching the shingle, we're going to keep it well under 45 degrees. Just well under enough so our snake tool can get underneath to remove the existing nails, to remove the existing shingle, to replace that with our new one, and drive in some new nails. Part of successful repair work is when you're able to complete these tasks without compromising the surrounding tabs or parts of the roof. Which in this case, we're using the right tools and the right amount of finesse. Moving up to the second row now. Alright, so before I continue any further, I just want to go ahead and state a few things and show y'all the differences. This is our new shingle here. This is our old shingle. And on the email that you're stating that you want us to replace this shingle with our new one, with our laminated. And I just want to state that also within the email is saying we can trim it. Well, let me just point this out. You can see that the differences in the height and the width. As you can see, we got almost a full finger. We got almost 3-4 inches here. We got 2 fingers here. We got almost probably 2 inches there. And I want to state that the trimming part, we can't do the trimming part because if we try to tamper with this shingle any direction, it's already automatically going to be damaged. For example, right, if we start from the top, if we decide to trim it from the top, we're going to interfere with the seal. If we interfere with it from the bottom, we're going to interfere with this seal, and this is what keeps that seal from flopping over. It's having that wind crease and wind damages. So this is what really helps it stay put together. We can't, and also I want to state that we can't tamper with this section right here towards the middle because this is our nail line, right? This is where we install our nails. If we try to tamper it, it won't go as the same, it won't be in line with the rest of the shingles that are already installed. More like it would be interfering it, right? So stating that, we were going to use the same shingle again. All right, now with our snake tool and our new nails combined, this allows us to sit under 45 degrees, including this lift I'm performing as well. And I want to go ahead and show you guys that we are under. This is what a 30 or 35 degrees look like. This is what a 45 degrees look like. And as you can see, we're well under that. Go ahead and fix myself. First nail successfully gone in. Moving up to the second row now. All right, now that's done. Now I want to state that now that we've installed this back, we are going to experience some mat piercings. Let me go ahead and fix these. So we have mat piercing that's going on, and that's from removing the shingle and installing it back in. And I just want to state that, you know, per IRC 908.5, aggregate surface material cannot be reinstalled when damaged. You know, as you can tell, it's just from describing from what's going on here, that we're having mat piercings here from installing our old shingle back. And I want to state that also IBC 1504.1 make it clear that a broken ceiling strip fails wind resistance, leaving any repair non-compliant with building codes. I just want to state that as well. Apologize for the loud noises. I just want to state that as well. And I just want to say, as a homeowner, think of if you're in their shoes as a homeowner. If I were able to tamper with this and cut it from any direction, especially from the bottom, that ceiling strip will be tampered, will be defected already as it is. And if we try to install that, imagine coming home to a corner of your shingle, keep flopping, and, you know, constantly granule coming off, constantly causing other damage. And, you know, think about water damage as well. This leaves a big exposure for water to get inside to, you know, cause more damage. That's why we don't recommend, if we don't tamper with our new shingle to install. I think it's more preferable if we just replace the whole roof, because what they're requiring for us to do is impossible, just based on just the shingle and the discontinued shingle. So the results for this left slope for today has been a fail. Thank you for your time. GoPro, stop recording.